Hi Cindy, Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda. Thank you for your interest in the 2016 Kia Sedona. Let's go take a look at it. This is the 2016 Kia Sedona LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. You will have the auto fold-in side mirrors. Power mirror adjustments, window controls, door locks. You will have the power seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel controls, including ability to answer your phone calls and use voice commands, cycle through your media sources, and control the volume. Cruise control buttons on the other side. You will be able to select from a variety of audio sources, including Bluetooth audio, a CD player, and USB and aux input, FM and AM radios, and XM radio. You'll have your climate controls, the USB and aux input located here. I'm currently taking advantage of the heated seat. You'll have that available for the passenger side as well, with 3 different levels. You have an eco mode for fuel efficient driving, and you'll have parking sensors. Additional power port in the center console. You'll have the extra built-in dome mirror to help keep an eye in the back seat. The power door controls to be able to open up the sides. Second row will have the built-in sunshades. You'll have the rear climate controls. Be able to gain access into the third row. The seats will lift up to be able to provide maximum access way. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera, seen here. Then the seats will have a convenient stow design. This is the 2016 Kia Sedona LX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406. We are conveniently located at 611 Boll Weevil Circle, Enterprise, Alabama, right across the street from Walmart. We look forward to seeing you here soon.